Hello students, my name is Tanya Welborn and I am the OCMS School Librarian. I have designed this video tutorial to instruct 8th grade English students, such as yourself, to use the school's online database for research. After watching this short video tutorial, I believe you'll feel more confident about searching the school's online database for information for your future assignments. Let's begin. So your teacher has asked you to look up information in an academic database? Now what? Before we take a look at the actual database, I'd like to introduce you to the team, and, or, and not. This team will help you to be able to search for items in a database very quickly. But you may be wondering, how can these guys help you with your search? And, or, and not are called Boolean operators. When you search a database for information, you can use these words to exclude or include more results for your search. Boolean operators can save you time while searching because they can greatly cut down the number of results that your search produces. For example, if you want to search for only Coke but you enter soft drinks and Coke, you may get too many results if you search for both terms. So to combat that problem, you may only want to search for one brand, such as Coke, not Pepsi. When searching the databases, you'll get more results if you search for Coke or Pepsi, but that doesn't work for our search because we only want information about Coke. So let me introduce you to the school database so we can put the team to work for you. This is what the search screen of the school's ProQuest database looks like. If you will notice, it has a single search bar, just like what you might find if you were using a web browser. I have already typed in the word Coke, and now we'll see what results we get. I've circled the number of results, which is over 1.5 million. That number is much too large for our use. If you look at the top of the screen, I've circled the number of databases we are searching using only the ProQuest database search box. When we click on the databases link at the top of the screen, we get this listing of databases. Another good way to reduce the number of results we get is to reduce the number of databases we're searching. Still using our example of searching for Coke, I'm going to narrow down our search so we can get more specific results. I'm going to search only in the ProQuest Historic Newspapers database for the Atlanta Journal-Constitution because Coke was invented in Atlanta in the 1800s. Searching now for Coke, but only in the ProQuest Historic Newspapers database for the Atlanta Journal-Constitution. We can see now that our search results have been narrowed to a little over 30,000 results. Quite an improvement from over 1 million, but that's still a large number of results. Now we're going to repeat our previous search using the terms Coke, not Pepsi. That search narrowed our results down by a few thousand, but let's try again to see if we can get better results this time. For this search, let's try to search for a Coke advertisement. By using such a specific search, we should be able to find fewer results. Well, that narrowed our search results quite a bit to only 676 results, but still too many. Let's narrow our search down to an advertisement of a Coke advertisement that features Santa Claus. We're still searching only the ProQuest Historic Newspapers database for the Atlanta Journal-Constitution. Now this search has given us only 37 results, a much more manageable, reasonable number to sort through. But the problem with this search is that I didn't word it correctly. By searching for Coke advertisement and Santa, I got results for every newspaper listing that contains the words Coke advertisement and Santa, but no actual Coke advertisement with a picture, just the words Coke advertisement and Santa. Let's try it again. I'm going to try just Coke and Santa in the search bar this time. Okay, even though the number of terms went up this time, we can still narrow the search even further by clicking on a couple of choices. First, we're going to click on the bottom left of the screen where it says Document Type. And on the drop-down menu that appears, we're going to choose Display Ad because that's what we're looking for. There's only 69 results, so we have narrowed down the number of our search results again. I'm going to select the second result listed, mainly because it's from the month of December, and that's when we associate Santa Claus. And the item that I searched for December happened to turn up an advertisement for a Santa doll holding a Coca-Cola bottle, which is what we were looking for. Our search was successful. We have finally completed our search. Now what should we try to remember from this exercise when we perform exercises in the future? Remember what we've done so far. To use the simplest search terms, to narrow down our results by using the tools on the screen. If you know you're looking for a specific type of article, even a picture or a graph, you can find what you're looking for much quicker by choosing the number of the kind of documents that you need. If you use these tips, your searches will be much more successful. Happy searching, students!